Hi, welcome to an Autocad 2024 video tutorial. It's one of my basic exercises, a very simple one. And I want to do all those simple ones and bring it to my YouTube channel. Let's take a look at the drawing. Here it is, and you could make a screenshot, of course, but I think it's really quite simple and you could do without. But let's have fun with AutoCAD. Let's start with a rectangle. So go for home, go for a rectangle, and it should be 56 by 118. Now let's move it to the correct location. Right click, use the midpoint as base point and move it to #00. Enter. Okay, now let's make an extrude with that rectangle. Right click, enter, make it 60. Select it and move it 30 in that direction. And also put it onto a different layer. Okay, let's isolate our solid, and I need to go for maybe wireframe and solid fillet edge. First radius should be 28 on this edge and that one here. Enter, enter. Repeat that command with enter. Go for a radius of 30 on this edge and that one here. Enter, enter. Now I need a cylinder, and it should be on the solid plus layer, so go for a cylinder. Control right click, go for the center of that circular edge, and the radius should be 30 and the length should be 60. Select it and move it in that direction 2 millimeter. Now make a union with those two. Now go for another cylinder, but on a different layer, solid minus, go for cylinder, control right click, go for the center of this one here, make it, that radius should be 16, length should be at least 60. Another one, control right click, center right there, radius is 15, length at least 60 again. Now let's go for subtract from the blue one those two orange ones. Right click, maybe go back to realistic, and I'm done. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you like it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would really help. And you could follow also me on GrabCAD, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.